I noticed that the Anamosa graveyard was a place where Grant Wood is buried. I thought I'd stop since it's still daylight and I got nothing to do. There's actually 3 of them back there. And geese honking overhead. And I would bet that's probably his. So I was gonna go see it. Well, I was wrong. It's a Civil War monument. Okay, I found Grant Woods. It's up at the top. So I'm gonna go around the back and stop up top to show you. Sorry about the dirty windshield, but I didn't bring the action camera. This is just my phone, and this is where it fits in the mount. Okay, now I saw it from the back road, so I think if I go up here, it's the closest I can get. Nope, not even close. It's a walk either way. Yeah, it's Matt Smith Park. There. Okay, let's go for a walk. Sorry about vertical, but again, that's the way the phone fits in the mount. There it is. Did I walk right by it? Or is it this one? John Wood. Wood. It's got to be right here. Eugene, Sarah, Clarence. I don't know. Maybe I did walk right by it. I'm sure there's probably more than one wood in here, but it's not obvious where Grant Wood's burial spot is. Huh. Okay, never mind, I found it. Grandma Grant Wood, right there. By the stone steps, which would make it a little more obvious, but I didn't come up from this side. Yeah, right there. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.